After the success of our physical workshop, many of you have been asking and waiting for the online version. And we are so happy to bring you the online version of the DNA workshop.
D.N.A. is designed around 3 unique workshops. The first is Dharamshastra, which is the spiritual workshop, wherein children learn values of right living through stories, rituals, and practices. The second is Neetishastra, which is the law and ethics workshop, wherein children discover morals and ethics to make wise choices and stay truthful. And the third is Arthashastra, which is the finance workshop, wherein children understand practical finance through fun lessons on saving, sharing, and using resources wisely.
So parents, let's give our kids the roots that give them values and the wings that help them to fly with confidence. Join us at our Dharamshastra workshop, where spirituality becomes simple and fun for kids. Check for registration link in bio and comment below for any queries.